Good morning, everyone. I'm so happy to be with you today again. And I am happy to be thankful with you. And thank you for joining me in this journey every day. I hope you've been doing it with me. I love to be thankful for everything. Today, I picked contrast. That's the word of the day, contrast. Why are we thankful for contrast? What do you think? Well, contrast is the spice of life. It is what makes us smarter, wiser, faster, more intuitive. It's what helps us have an interesting life. Otherwise, everything would be very, very boring, and we wouldn't want to be here if it were boring. So, contrast is a wonderful thing. And sometimes we don't like it right off the bat. But that's the reason why I thought it was a good idea to today dedicate a couple of minutes to show appreciation for that contrast that is part of our human experience. We cannot be in this planet Earth and we cannot be human without experiencing contrast. That's the whole point of being here. So let's appreciate it, right? Why not? So actually it's better. If you appreciate it, you'll see, you'll suffer less. So contrast happens when we want something and we cannot get it. Anything that could be. I don't know. You go to a restaurant, you're fantasizing about a meal you're gonna have, and then you get there and they're like, oh, they ran out. They're not serving that anymore. It's frustrating, right? It's always very annoying. Contrast is, when you want to wear something beautiful and then you go put it on and you rip it or you spill something on it and now you cannot wear it because it got ruined. It has to be washed or fixed or whatever. You wanted to wear that. You wanted to do this. You want to take this class. You want to enter into this school, but you didn't get in. You didn't get admitted. Or your schedules don't align with something that you wanted to do or go or, anything like that. That's contrast. And when that comes into play, when that's happening, we always get frustrated and we get upset. We don't appreciate it, ever. So today, while we're sitting here and we are in our beautiful, special place, we can take a few minutes dedicated to appreciating the inevitable contrast that we all experience. All right? Okay, so sit back on your chair, take a beautiful deep breath and let it out slowly. And as you breathe deeply, I want you to start feeling more and more calm and at ease. Feel the calm and the peace that comes just by being with yourself. See, in this beautiful place, there is no contrast. Nothing is going wrong. Nothing's going the other way. Nothing's going the wrong way. You are at peace. You are grounded. You are blessed. You are safe. And you are all powerful. You have every opportunity, every possibility. And take a deep breath in and exhale through the mouth. And while we're in this beautiful place of all possibilities, let's remember a friend, a contrast, and say, I got you, I get you, I understand you, and I appreciate you. Thank you, contrast, for making my life interesting. Thank you, contrast, for giving me challenges. Thank you, contrast, for helping me feel intelligent, capable, smart, wise. Thank you, contrast, for showing me a variety of ways, not just my way. Thank you, contrast, for helping me be compassionate and patient. Thank you, contrast, for reminding me that I am the boss of me. Thank you, contrast, for encouraging me to be on my center, to be grounded, to be at peace. Thank you, contrast, for reminding me that everything works out for me, even when it doesn't feel that way. Thank you for reminding me I am here to be happy and to expand. Thank you for helping me experience life. I appreciate you. I understand you. I am part of you. And take a deep breath in and exhale. And when you're ready, you can come back to the room and open your eyes. How was that? I hope you liked it. I liked it. I appreciate it. I think this is a really important one. Keep it in your favorites, and you should replay this often. Replay it tonight, maybe tomorrow. Play it for other people. I really liked it. I like what I did today. I hope you liked it too. And remember, if you can think of new or different things to be thankful for, please write me a note. I'd love to see it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, so you always know when there's new videos. But you know, I will be here again tomorrow morning, so don't miss it. All my love.